Pixlr is one of the most popular free online photo editing tools available, providing users with two main editing interfaces: Pixlr X, which is designed for quick and easy edits, and Pixlr E, which offers more advanced editing features for detailed work. When you first land on the site, the interface is clean, modern, and inviting, with quick access to editing tools without needing to create an account. This accessibility makes Pixlr appealing for users who want to jump right into editing without fuss. Pixlr X is perfect for those who need basic edits done quickly, like cropping, resizing, applying filters, or adjusting brightness and contrast. It's streamlined for convenience and simplicity, ideal for users who want to enhance photos without diving into complex editing. On the other hand, Pixlr E is more powerful, catering to graphic designers and photo editors who require features like layers, masks, color adjustments, and various tools for precise editing. The interface is intuitive enough for beginners, but offers enough depth to satisfy experienced editors. While Pixlr can sometimes feel sluggish depending on the complexity of edits and the power of your device, it generally performs well for a browser-based tool. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One major downside of Pixlr is the presence of ads if you're using the free version. These ads can be a bit intrusive, especially when working on larger projects. However, upgrading to the premium plan removes ads and unlocks additional features like AI-powered tools, premium templates, and enhanced editing options. Another limitation is that high-resolution exports are only available for premium users, which can be disappointing if you're looking for top-quality image results. Despite these limitations, Pixlr remains an excellent tool for those looking to edit photos or create designs quickly and efficiently without installing any software. Overall, Pixlr is a reliable and versatile editing platform that caters to both casual users and more advanced creators. It's a great choice for quick touch-ups and detailed designs alike, though the premium features are worth considering if you need higher quality exports and an ad-free experience. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials.